What is function calling? Function calling lets you connect models to external tools and APIs, like a calculator, database, smart devices, and more. Then the model decides when to call specific functions with the necessary parameters, and Gemini offers function calling through the API. So we add available functions through a JSON, and in this example we have a 3D spawner function. So let's see a project with the function calling example. I would like to eat an orange. I would like a banana. I would like a kiwi. I would like an apple. At Unity we created two functions called object spawner and object not available. Then the model decides to spawn a 3D object from an object array or a no available image. I'm sharing the scripts with you in the YouTube description. Well, thank you very much and please subscribe.